Hello children and welcome back to your English class. Today we will be learning QU words which make the QA sound. Learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson you will be able to recognize and pronounce QU words, associate words with pictures, build your vocabulary by learning some QU words. Let us start with a story. The story of Orko. Orko lives in Kolkata. He is intelligent and loves to participate in quiz competitions. One Sunday, his parents took him to Quest Mall. Orko was surprised to see that the mall was quiet. It used to be a busy place in the weekends. As he stood in the queue for the elevator, he saw a big poster for a quiz contest which was scheduled for the day. Orko was elated. He took the permission of his parents and enrolled himself for the quiz. His parents wished him luck and asked him to listen to the questions carefully and answer them quickly. They reminded him of the famous quote by Colin Powell, "There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure." Orko was ready for this. He had been preparing for a long time. The first question appeared on the screen. They were asked to guess the name of the famous Queen of United Kingdom in whose memory a monument was built in Kolkata. Orko replied promptly. Do you know what is the answer to this question? Did you guess Queen Victoria? You are brilliant. And what about the monument? Which place am I talking about? Yes, it is the Victoria Memorial. Very good. Now it was time for the audio-visual round. The quizmaster played an audio clip. It sounded like this. No, it wasn't that simple. The participants had to guess the name of the bird sanctuary located in South Kolkata near Narendrapur. Tell me, children, do you know the answer to this question? Orko sure did know the answer. He had read about it and he found it simple enough. He shouted out the answer, Chintamani Kaur Bird Sanctuary. The next round was a picture round, and Orko and the other contestants had to guess the name of this bird. Children, doesn't this bird look familiar? When had we learnt about this bird? Yes, when we were learning about AI words. So, could you guess the answer? Right you are. It is a quail. And Orko also gave the right answer. And soon, Orko was victorious. He won the quiz competition. The quizmaster was impressed and gifted him a quill. Do you disagree that quill is an apt gift for a quiz contest? Which other QU word would you like to have as your prize? Having answered so many questions, Orko was quite thirsty at the end of the quiz. So he went with his parents to the food plaza and quenched his thirst by having some cool, refreshing lemonade. Did you like to learn about Orko? Where do you think he is from? Yes, he's from our very own city. Have you ever been to Quest Mall? And what about Victoria Memorial? Now that we have completed our story, let us learn and revise a few of the QU words. When we pronounce the letters Q and U together, we produce the qu sound. Can you please repeat it after me? Qu, qu. Very good. Do you remember what Orko received as a gift at the end of the quiz? Yes, it was a quill. And what does a quill mean? It is one of the large feathers of the wing or tail of a bird. Remember, when we were learning about birds, we spoke about feathers covering the entire body. So quill is one of the longer feathers. Now let us read a sentence with the word quill. The farmer found the quill of a goose while cleaning the stable. The last round of the quiz had the image of a bird. This was a quail. A quail is a small brown bird. Can you make a sentence with quail? A quail eats seeds, grains, and insects. One day, the farmer's son found many quails sitting in his garden. Can you help him to find the total number of quails by counting in twos? What is your answer? Yes, there are 6 sets of birds. So what is the total? Right, there are 12 birds in total. What were some of the other words in the story that began with the qu sound? Yes, we have quiz, quest mall, quizmaster,
queen, and Q.
The other words that we came across were quiet,
Question.
quickly, quote, quite, and quench. A new word that you might not have heard up till now can be quiver. A quiver is a container for carrying arrows. The hunter took out an arrow from the quiver. Now that you have learnt more about QU words, can you guess what these pictures are? And try to write the spellings of the words as well. Here are the answers. The first one is a quilt. A quilt is a woven blanket that we use in winter. The second picture is of a quail. I'm sure you got this right. The third is of a queen. And the last one meant quiet. Did you get this one right as well? I hope you didn't get confused with the spelling.
With this, we come to the end of our lesson. Take care and have a good day.